Jai Hind friends, my name is Narendra Thalod. I come from Rajasthan and I am come from ND entry here. When I first time I will come here, earlier I will show YouTube videos and I see the Subham Vasne sir interview who has taken the SSB sir Burman sir's interview video. Earlier, I think that SSB is a very difficult task and no one can clear it easily. When I come here, I think when I come here and show the teachers, there is nothing hard, there is nothing difficult. We can easily done it. There are 4 SSS: Colonel Manoj Burman sir, Shreya ma'am, Lakhan sir, and one Surendra sir who prepare us for OIR. So Colonel Manoj Burman sir is 78-year-old. He has a lot of experience. When I come here, I am not utter a single word in the class, but I am attend the class for 10 to 15 days. Then at this time I feel so confident, and I can say that if I am not selected in SSB, there is no matter, but I can do something good or better in my life, because the Colonel Manoj Burman sir has a lot of experience. They tell us how to live a life. There is no need that we will be successful in only one sector. If we have not clear SSB, then we can't do anything. There is no need. When they teach us each and every aspects of our life, they teach us a lot of things related to our life. So I am at this time I am feel so confident. I think the earlier time, unfortunately I have not cleared ND exam. Approximately I have left for 1 or 2 marks, but I think next time I will clear written, and I also clear SSB interview, because I got a great teacher in my life, and it is a better thing. They also give us a lot of time in coaching. They prepare, they give proper lecture in our class. At first Surendra sir come at 8 o'clock in the morning, and they take a 1 hour class for OIR. After it, they are not only teaching according to SSB, but they are also try to teach a lot of things which they experience. They have also cleared CA exam, so they have a lot of knowledge. The teacher faculty in this coaching has a lot of experience. So if we are coming here, then there is no loss. There is no loss. We think we learn a lot of things from here. After it, Manoj Burman sir come they take a 2 to 3 hour class, and they teach us a lot of things which will be so useful in our life. And third, Shreya ma'am, who has cleared 3 times SSB, and at this time she has also gone to SSB, and she has been screened in, and I am sure that he will be done at this time. They teaches us some techniques which is not known by other persons. So the faculty is so good, and we can learn a lot of things from here. There is no matter that we do SSB, we clear SSB or not, but we learn a lot of things, a lot of logics which will be implemented in our life. They will make our life so easy to live it. Thank you.